Fat loss feels confusing, but once you learn the science, everything becomes clearer. Your body stores excess calories as fat, not because you are broken. Understanding simple science helps fat loss finally start working properly. Fat loss begins with calories entering your body through food and drinks. Calories leaving your body through movement determine whether fat gets burned. When calories out exceed calories in, fat loss must occur naturally. Stored body fat is simply unused energy waiting to be released. When energy demand increases, fat cells release fuel to power movement. Regular walking helps burn fat while remaining safe and sustainable long-term. Strength training raises metabolism and protects muscle during fat loss. Without enough protein, your body may break down muscle for energy. Adequate protein intake preserves muscle and supports a healthy metabolism. Balanced meals help stabilize energy levels and reduce overeating habits. Excess sugar spikes insulin, encouraging your body to store fat. Stable blood sugar supports consistent fat burning throughout the day. Poor sleep disrupts hormones that control hunger and fat loss. Quality sleep improves recovery and supports healthy fat-burning hormones. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which encourages fat storage around the belly. Relaxed breathing helps lower stress and improves fat loss efficiency. Consistency over time matters more than perfection for lasting fat loss. Irregular routines fail because fat loss depends on repeated daily habits. Apply these principles and fat loss will become predictable and sustainable. Better posture, improved energy, and confidence naturally follow consistent fat loss. This is what happens when knowledge replaces confusion and frustration. Keep learning, stay consistent, and let science guide your fat loss.